Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of iterative prompt engineering for AI models. If you're looking to unlock the full potential of GPT 3.5 or similar models, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process and demonstrate with a real-life example. What is iterative prompt engineering? Well, it's the process of refining your prompts step by step to get the best results. You start with a basic prompt, assess the output, and iteratively make improvements. It's like sculpting a masterpiece, refining until it's just right. Let's illustrate this with an example. Say you want to teach your AI model to write a poem about the night sky. Here's your initial prompt. After running the model with this prompt, you might get a decent result, but let's improve it. In iteration 1, you can try adding different verbs, adjectives, and enhance the prompt as shown on the screen. After this, you evaluate the output. If it's not perfect, you iterate further. Here's iteration 2 on the screen. Iterate as needed. For instance, in iteration 3, the more thoughts you add in prompt would generate more beautiful output. Look at the final output on the screen. I will share all iterations with the final prompt and output link in the description. To make your iterative prompts more effective, consider the above tips. Be clear and specific in your prompts. Add descriptive elements to guide the model. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to refine your prompts multiple times. Take inspiration from your model's previous outputs. What is summarization? Prompt engineering. It is the art of distilling large amounts of text into shorter, coherent versions that capture the main ideas and essential details. It's a valuable tool for making information more accessible. Prompt engineering for summarization is all about crafting prompts that instruct the AI model to generate accurate and relevant summaries. It involves tailoring your prompts to the specific task you want the model to perform. Let's dive into this with an example. Imagine you have a lengthy story, and you want to generate a brief conclusion. Here's an example of how you might craft your prompt. Story summarization example 1. Prompt is, your task is to read the story carefully and generate a concise conclusion. Another example involves summarizing customer reviews. Let's say you have a set of customer reviews for a product, and you want to generate a summary. Here's how you could craft your prompt. Example 2, prompt is, your task is to go through the customer reviews and generate the summary of the review. Look at the final output on the screen. I will share both examples with the final prompt and output link in the description. Here are some tips for successful summarization prompt engineering. First is, be specific about the summarization task you want. Next is, provide context when necessary. Third is, experiment with the phrasing of your prompts. Final one, evaluate and refine your prompts based on model outputs. So, whether you're aiming to get accurate and concise summaries or unleash your model's creative potential, prompt engineering plays a crucial role. It's all about guiding the AI model in the right direction, step by step, to achieve the desired outcome. In conclusion, prompt engineering is your gateway to harnessing the full potential of AI models. You now have the tools to create effective prompts for both summarization and content generation. As you practice and refine your skills, you'll be amazed at the remarkable results you can achieve. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and prompt engineering.